Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that's been highly requested by our viewers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to this subject, we've got you covered with some valuable insights and tips to help you master this topic. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome to our class on search engine optimization, SEO. In today's digital age, SEO has become an essential aspect of online marketing. Today, we'll be discussing how to effectively use SEO to improve your website's visibility, attract more traffic, and ultimately drive more conversions. Let's get started. Understanding SEO first, let's go over the basics of SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords and phrases. SEO involves a variety of techniques, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Conducting keyword research is the first step to effective SEO. Keyword research involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Here are some tips for conducting effective keyword research. 1. Use a keyword research tool to identify relevant keywords. 2. Focus on long-tail keywords that are more specific to your business. 3. Analyze the competition for each keyword to determine competitiveness. On-page optimization involves optimizing your website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords and phrases. Here are some tips for on-page optimization. 1. Use relevant keywords in your title tags and meta descriptions. 2. Include relevant keywords in your website's content. 3. Use header tags to organize your content and include keywords. 4. Optimize your website's images with relevant file names and alt tags. Link building involves acquiring backlinks from other websites to improve your website's authority and ranking. Here are some tips for effective link building. 1. Create high-quality and engaging content that other websites will want to link to. 2. Reach out to other websites in your industry and ask for backlinks. 3. Use guest blogging to create backlinks on other websites. 4. Use social media to promote your content and generate backlinks. That's it for our class on search engine optimization, SEO. We hope you learned something new and are feeling inspired to use SEO to grow your online presence. Remember, conducting effective keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building are all important steps to success with SEO. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video as well.